Find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis and passing through the points -2, 1, 1, 2, and -1, 3. Okay, here, what are the given points? Okay, so given points, given points, given points are a point is given as -2, 1 is the first point, and second point is 1, 2. Second point is 1, 2, and the third point C is equals to -1, 3. These are the given points. Okay, now formula equation of the parabola, equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis, whose axis is parallel, whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Okay, here we have the formula. If it is parallel to x-axis, then write Lx, x is equals. If it is parallel to y-axis, write y is equals to. So now, okay, so x is equals to Ly square plus my plus n. Okay, this is the formula here. Okay, if parallel to y-axis, then y is equals to Lx square plus mx plus n. That is the formula. Here parallel to x-axis, that's why x is equals to Ly square plus my plus n. This is parabola passing through a point, b point, and c point. The parabola is passing through a, b, c points. Okay, here this is the parabola. Parabola equation is like this, and the axis of the parabola is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so here I am taking the x-axis like this and y-axis like this. Okay, so taking x and y-axis. Okay, if we consider the x and y-axis like this, the axis is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so this is the formula here. The parabola is passing through these 3 points. The parabola is passing through these 3 points, that is a point -2, 1, and one more point, that is b. Okay, so b is 1, 2. I am drawing the rough diagram, and one more point c, that is -1, 3. Okay, these are the 3 points. The parabola is passing through these 3 points, means it satisfies the equation. Okay, so now equation 1, parabola passes through the first point. Equation 1 passing through, equation 1 passing through, okay, a point, that is -2, 1. A point -2, 1. So substitute the point, so it satisfies. X value -2 is equals to L into y square plus m into y plus n. Okay, so that means L plus m plus n is equals to -2. This is equation number 2. This equation 1 also passes through the p point, also passes through the b point. Okay, so now equation 1 passing through, equation 1 passing through the point b. What is the b point here? Okay, the b point is 1, 2. The point b is 1, 2. Okay, so now I am substituting. Okay, x is equals to, so that means 1 is equals to L into y square plus m into y plus n. Okay, that means 2 square 4L plus 2m plus n is equals to 1. Equation number 3. Equation number 3. This equation 1 also passing through the point C. Also passing through the point C. What is the C point? Okay, so C point is -1, 3. What is the C point, ma? -1, 3. Now tell me, so if we substitute in the equation, x is equals to Ly square plus my plus n. If we substitute in the equation, so what we get, ma? So tell me, x is equals to -1 is equals to Ly square. L into 3 square plus m into y, m into 3 plus n. So that means 9 into L plus 3 into m plus n is equals to minus 1, equals to minus 1. Okay, this is equation number 4. Equation number 4. Now we are going to solve all these equations to get L, m, n values. Okay, now I am solving equation 2 and 3. Okay, solving equation 2 and 3. 2 and 3. What is equation 2 here? Okay, so check the equation 2. L plus m plus n is equals to minus 2. Once observe all the equations. Observe all the equations. Okay, so here for n, coefficient is 1. For others, so it changed. Okay, we have changed in the coefficients of L and m, but n coefficients are equal in all the equations. In all the equations. Okay. So that means L plus m plus n is equals to minus 2 here, and 4L plus 2m plus n is equals to 1. Okay. Now by subtracting here minus, minus, minus and minus, n gets cancelled. Okay. L minus 4L is minus 3L, minus 3L. Okay, so and after that m minus 2m, that is minus m is equal to minus 3. Okay, so that means 3L plus m, 3L plus m. Okay, so taking all these two terms to right side. Okay, minus 3 equal to 0. Equation number 5. Equation number 5. Now solving equation. Now I am solving equation 2 and 3, 3 and 4. If we solve equation 3 and 4. Okay, so then solving equation 3 and 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. That means 9L plus 3m plus n is equals to minus 1, and 4L plus 2m plus n is equals to 1. Equals to 1. Okay, so now here minus and minus and minus and minus, n gets cancelled. Okay, so here 9L minus 4L, that is 5L, and 3m minus 2m, that is m, is equals to minus 1, that is minus 2, minus 2. This is equation number 5, or you can write it as 5L plus m plus 2 equal to 0. Equation number 6. Now solve 5 and 6. Solving 5 and 6. Okay. So now solving equation 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Here x and y and 1. Okay. Start with okay. So LMN, right? Okay. So here L, M and N. Okay, n means here constant. N is already deleted. Now start with m coefficient. M coefficient is 1 and constant minus 3, L coefficient, and again m coefficient. Okay, here also L coefficient, m coefficient, constant, and L coefficient, and again m coefficient. Again m coefficient. L divided by, how do we write? Multiply these two, product of these two minus these two. Okay, so that means again here m divided by, okay, minus 3 into 5 and 3 into 2. 1 divided by 3 into 1 minus 1 into 5. Okay, if you multiply 1 into 2 is 2 minus, and minus 3 into 1 minus 1, minus 3, minus 2 minus plus 3 is equals to m divided by minus 3 into 5 minus 15. Okay, minus 3 2 is 6 is equals to 1 divided by 3 1s are 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. Okay. Now L divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. What is 2 plus 3? 5. So L divided by 5 is equals to m divided by, okay, how much we get here? Okay, so minus 15 minus 6 minus 21. Minus 21 is equals to 1 divided by, okay, so 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2. Okay. So now we want L and M values. So to get L and M values, equate L value to constant and M value also to constant. Okay. So then L divided by 5 is equals to L divided by 5 is equal to minus 1 by 2. The value of L is minus 5 by 2. Okay. Similarly, M divided by minus 21 is equals to minus 1 by 2 minus, okay, M is equals to minus 21 into minus 1 by 2. Here it is dividing, if you take it to that side, multiplies. The value of M is minus plus 21 by 2. Okay, after getting L and M values, substitute this L and M values either in equation 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, so now I am substituting L is equal to minus 5 by 2, comma, M is equals to 21 by 2 in equation number, okay, 2. What is equation number 2? Okay, L plus M plus N is equals to minus 2. Okay, now I am substituting in this. Okay, if we substitute in this, okay, L value minus 5 by 2, M value plus 21 by 2 plus N is N only is equals to minus 2. Okay, send these two terms to right side. Okay, we send them to right, then what we get? Okay, so N is equals to, then N is equals to minus 2 is as it is, and minus 5 by 2 I am taking to, okay, so right side, then it becomes plus 5 by 2 and minus 21 by 2 and minus 2 as it is. Take LCM, LCM is 2. Okay, so 5 and minus 21 as it is, and 2 to the 4, minus 4. Okay, that means 5 minus 25 by 2, that means minus 20 by 2, minus 20 by 2. Okay, the value of N is minus 10. After getting LMN values, substitute all these values in equation 1. Okay, so now I am substituting L is equals to minus 5 by 2, comma, M is equals to 21 by 2 and N is equals to minus 10 in equation number 1. Okay, so that means Lx square minus 5 by 2 into, sorry, okay, equation 1. What is equation 1? X is equals to, equation 1 is X is equals to Lx square minus 5 by 2 into X, y square, and M is 21 by 2, okay, into y and plus N. So take LCM here, LCM is 2 is LCM. Okay, minus 5 into y square minus 5y square plus 21 into y and 2 into 10 is 20. Okay, this is equals to X. Take this, okay, 2 to left side. So then 2x is equals to, then 2x is equals to minus 5y square minus 5y square plus 21y minus 20 plus 21y minus 20. Okay, so now take all the right side term to left side. Okay, then minus 5y square becomes plus 5y square and plus 2x. Okay, minus 21y plus 20 equal to 0, plus 20 equal to 0. This is the required parabola equation. Required equation of parabola. Equation of parabola. Okay, understood? Understood, ma? Do you have
Yes,
any
sir,
doubt?
understood, sir.
Okay. So here given question is find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis and passing through the points 4, 5, minus 2, 11 and minus 4, 21. Okay. So what are the given points here? First write the given points. First write the given points. Given points are A point is given here. A point is 4, 5. 4, 5 and point B is minus 2, 11 and point C is minus 4, 21. Minus 4, 21. Okay. And ABC 3 points are given here. ABC 3 points are given here. And this parabola is, okay, so axis is parallel to axis is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so equation of the parabola, equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel, to the y-axis. What is the formula, ma? Okay, parallel to y-axis means, remember here, y is equals to L into x square plus m into x plus n. Okay, what is the formula? Just repeat, ma. So the formula is x is equals to
y is equal to lx square plus mx
plus
square plus
fy
n
plus
is equal
n.
to 0.
Okay, so repeat once
And
again.
then is
Okay,
equal to
so
0 is not there. Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to lx square
plus,
plus mx plus n.
yes. Okay, this is the formula here. We are going to use this formula now. We are going to use this formula. Y is equals to, here this is the formula, equation 1, and this parabola is passing through A, B, C 3 points. Get the parabola equation. Okay, so like this we get the parabola equation. Okay, and axis is parallel to y-axis. Axis is parallel to y-axis. This is the axis of the parabola. Whenever axis is parallel to x-axis or y-axis, okay, we use the formula like this. What are the points on the parabola here? We have the A point, that is 4, 5. 4, 5 is the A point, and we have the point B. That is okay, so B point is minus 2, 11 is the B point, and one more point is C, that is minus 4, 21 is the point C. Okay, so now here okay, so these are the given points, and after that, equation of the parabola. This equation 1 is passing through, equation 1 passing through the point A is equals to 4, 5. Passing through the point A is equals to 4, 5. Now I am substituting A. Okay, so A point in this, y is equals to, that is phi is equals to L into x square, 4 square, plus m into x, that is 4, okay, plus n. Okay, L is 4 square. What is 4 square? 16. 16L plus 4m plus n is equals to 5. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now this equation 1 also passing through, equation 1 also passing through B point. Okay. Now equation 1 passing through B point. Okay, so what is the B point? The point B is given as minus 2, 11. Minus 2, 11. Okay, minus 2, 11. Y is equals to 11 is equals to L into, okay, x square plus m into x plus n. Okay, 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is 4, so 4L minus 2m plus n is equals to 11. This is equation number 3. And equation 1 also passing through the point C, Okay, what is the C point here? Minus 4, 21. Minus 4, 21 is the point here. Okay, so now y is equals to 21 is equals to L into x square minus 4 whole square plus m into x plus n. Okay, minus 4 whole square, that is 16L minus 4m plus n is equals to 21. This is equation number 4. Now solve the equation 2, 3, 4. Solve equation 2, 3, 4. Okay. So solving equation 2 and 3. Now I am solving equation 2 and 3. Okay. So what is equation 3, ma? So that is 4L minus 2M plus N is equals to 11. What is equation 2? Equation 2 is 16L plus 4M plus N is equals to 5. 16L plus 4M plus N is equals to 5 is the equation 2. Okay, so now we are solving these two equations. Okay, so that means we are subtracting here. Okay, we are subtracting here. Minus, minus, and minus, and the minus. N gets cancelled. Okay, you can cancel the N and N. Okay, so that 4L minus 16L, that is minus 12L, 2M minus 2M minus 4M minus 6M is equals to 11 minus 5. What is 11 minus 5? That is 6. That is 6. Send all the left side terms to right side. Okay, we send all the left side terms to right side. Okay, so then what we get here? Okay, this becomes okay plus 12L and plus 6M and plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, take 6 common. We can take 6 common. 6 2s are 6 1s are 6 1s are is equals to 0. That means 2L plus M plus 1 equals to 0. Equation number 5. Equation number 5. Okay, so now we solve the 3 and 4. Okay, solve the 3 and 4. Okay, solving equation 3 and 4. Okay, what is our target? We are eliminating N. Okay, so that means here 16L minus 4M plus N is equals to 21 and 4L minus 2M plus N is equals to 11. Okay, so now I am subtracting here minus and plus and minus and minus. Okay, cancel the N and N. Okay, 16L minus 4L, that is 12L and minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2M is equals 21 minus 11, that is 10. Okay, take 2 common or send this 12 to left side, then 2L minus 2M minus 10 is equals to 0. Okay, take 2 common, then okay, 2 6 are 2 1s are 2 5s are. Okay, is equals to 0. That means 6L minus M minus 5 equals to 0. This is equation number 6. Now we have to solve equation 5 and 6. Now we are going to solve equation 5 and 6. Okay, solving equation 5 and 6. Solving equation 5 and 6. Okay, L, M and 1. L, M and 1. Okay, so take the coefficients. Start from M coefficient. Okay, M coefficient constant, L coefficient and M coefficient. 1 1 2 1. Okay, so 1 1 2 1. Okay, in the next equation also same. M coefficient constant, L coefficient, M coefficient. Minus 1 minus 5 6. Minus 1 minus 5 and 6 again minus 1. Okay, L divided by, how do we multiply here? Okay, so we simplify AD minus BC. L divided by 1 into minus 5 and 1 into minus. M divided by 1 into 6 minus 2 into minus 1. And 1 divided by 1 into minus 1 and 1 into 6. We multiply like this. Okay, so that means 1 into minus 5 is minus 5 minus 5. Okay, and minus, okay, minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 into minus, okay, plus 1 is equals to m divided by 1 into 6 is 6 and minus minus plus 2 5 is 10 is equals to 1 divided by minus 2 minus 6. Okay, L divided by minus 4 is equals to m divided by 16 is equals to 1 divided by minus 8. Okay, so now equate L and m values, equate L and m values to constant. Okay, so that means L divided by minus 4 is equals to minus 1 by 8. So L is equals to minus 4 into minus 1 by 8. Okay, so the value of L is, okay, so 4 1 is a 4 2 is a 1. Okay, that means 1 by 2. And m values. Okay, so here m divided by 16 is equals to minus 1 by 8 and m is equals to 16 into minus 1 by 8. 8 1s are 8 2. So the value of m is minus 2. Okay, after getting L and m values, substitute these L and m values either in equation 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, which is better? Okay, so little bit smaller coefficients, smaller values. Equation 3 is a little bit better. 4L minus 2m plus n is equals to 11. Okay, so substituting L is equals to, okay, so 1 by 2 and m is equals to minus 2 in equation, okay, so 3, equation 3. What is equation 3? 4L minus 2m, 4L minus 2m plus n, okay, is equals to 11, right? Okay, so now what is L value? So write the L value here. L value is 1 by 2 and m value is minus 2 and okay, n is n only. So we are going to find the value of n here. We are going to find the value of n. So 2 1s are 2 2s are here 2 and minus and minus plus 4 plus n is equals to 11. Okay, so here 6 plus n is equals to 11 and n is equals to 11 minus 6, that is equals to 5. Okay, so now substitute all the element values in equation 1. All the element values in equation 1. Okay, so now substituting, okay, L is equals to 1 by 2 and m is equals to minus 2 and n is equals to element values here L 1 by 2, m minus 2 and n is 5. N is 5. Okay, in equation number 1. Okay, what is equation 1? Okay, equation 1 is y is equals to lx square plus mx plus n. Okay, so y is equals to L into x square plus m into x plus n. Okay, so now substitute the values. L is 1 by 2 and m is minus 2, n is 5. Okay, so now simplify here. Okay, take LCM here. LCM is 2. Okay, so here x square minus 2x and okay, sorry, 2 2 is a 4x. X square minus LCM already we took 2, so 2 2 is a 4x and 2 5 is a 10. 2 5 is a 10 is equals to y. Take this 2 to the left side. Here dividing, if you take it to this side, multiply. 2y is equals to x square minus 4x plus 10. Okay, send them right side. Okay, x square minus 4x and minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the parabola. Required equation of the parabola. Okay.